So the source said Siyacela did not want to be admitted to the hospital. He ran away. I guess it is Siyacela. He's so dramatic even in real life. It seems like Siyacela's ancestors are turning against him. This is not the first car accident. Anyway, guys, for those who don't know what is going on, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Siyacela Dlamuka Tando's husband survived another horrific car accident. Siyacela, he's the one who posted these pictures via his WhatsApp account to people close to him. The car, it was seen smashed up and covered in blood. Siyacela was traveling in a Polo, which it was not recognized by Life. It was completely damaged and he was rushed to Balito Hospital with serious injuries. The source said Siyacela did not want to be admitted to the hospital. He ran away. Imagine that, Siyacela. What do you expect? So it seems like the illness take a toll on him. He was rushed to his local hospital, Konjeni, again, where he stayed at home despite his injuries, say the source. Guys, pray for Siyacela Dlamuka. Hey guys, I don't know, man. The way he's driving, maybe it's the way he's driving. Maybe he needs to go back and do a drive license. I don't know, guys. And people are saying it's the way he's treating Tando. You know, social media, guys. Thing about Siyacela, you can never tell him anything. Even on a previous episode, Isengane Lengane season 7 episode 2, Siyacela was disrespecting Ubaba Tando, and people were like, even if you don't like it, him, because at least show some respect to him. And there's something that Dlamuka's wife, the first wife, Mam Kulu, mentioned to say, Dlamuka was like Siyacela. So it's very hard to control Siyacela or to sit down and have a conversation with Siyacela like a man to man or like a woman and man. Siyacela does not listen to anyone else. He listens to himself. I don't know the reason why the accident it happened, where he was going. Probably he was doing some shandy. You never know, Siyacela, guys. One thing about Siyacela, he's living his own life. He doesn't need anyone to tell him what to do, whether he's doing right or wrong. He will always do whatever makes him happy. No wonder why people are saying, oh, to Tando, if you want to be happy, divorce this man for your own peace. And Tando did mention to saying, divorce and because you guys are saying that I should leave that because right now I only going to date someone that has a wife, at least to be a second wife. I don't mind. So guys, it's a lot. We just wish him a speed recovery, Siyacela. You know, even though you don't understand Siyacela, but no one deserves to be here. Some are saying that he's currently in the ICU. We don't know, guys. We just say pray for Siyacela, guys. At the end of the day, he's a husband, he's a father. He needs to be here. Hopefully he learned his lesson. Next time he's gonna, I don't know what he's gonna do. Maybe he's gonna drive, you know, he's gonna reduce the speed and drive like a normal person who has a license, you know. Anyway, guys, let's have a conversation. What do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe.